morning, class. Today we're going to learn a word by the sight method. Today's word is. Say this word.
Is.
A sentence for is would be, what color is my shirt? Can you give me a sentence?
Where is my pencil?
Okay.
What is the weather today?
Yes, it's very cloudy outside. Okay, let's spell and read the word is. I-S is. Okay, so the word on the board is the word is. Can you tell me what sound is missing from this word?
It.
Yes. So what letter makes that sound?
I.
All right, so say I so I can write it.
I.
So spell and read the word is. I-S is. Good job. All right, so now we're going to write and spell the word on our paper. So it's is. I-S is. That's proof incorrect. So let's put our pencils down and point with your finger. Say the word is. Is. Now spell the word I-S is. Okay, now look away from your paper. Say the word is. Is. I-S is. Good job. Now we're moving up to class. Good morning, third grade. Today we're going to learn a word using the phonics method. So please hold the sound as I show you on the card to pronounce the word. Caused. Caused. The word we're going to learn today is caused. A sentence would be, what caused the glass to break? Can you give me a sentence for the word caused?
The rain caused it to be muddy outside.
Okay.
What caused the dog to bark?
Oh, yes, our dogs bark a lot. So if we look at the word on the board, this word should be caused. Can you tell me what sound is missing? Ah. So what two letters make the sound ah?
A.
All right. So let's spell ah so I can write it on the board. A.
U.
Okay. Spell and read the word caused. C-A-U-S-E-D. Caused. Okay. So now we're going to pick up our pencils and write the word on our paper. C-A-U-S-E-D. Caused. All right, let's prove incorrect. So point at the word on your paper. C-A-U-S-E-D. Caused. Look away from your paper. C-A-U-S-E-D. Caused. Good job, class.